Wildcats' inaugural season of Big 12 Conference football begins tonight in Salt Lake City as the Wildcats take on the Utah Utes. Ranked 10th in the nation, unbeaten at 4-0, the Utes have emerged as the favorite to win the Big 12. The Wildcats arrive here after a bye week, get a chance to heal some more. Will all that pay off tonight? Well, we'll find out in the next couple of hours. For the Wildcats, tonight marks their first official Big 12 football game. For Utah, it's second.
Arizona's offense, they're going to have to be locked in on every single snap because Utah's defense, it's one of the best in the nation right now.
It has become one of the loudest venues in all of college football.
This venue becomes a character. They impact the game.
It's become a madhouse.
Great scene always under the lights in Salt Lake City.
And detail. So believe in just this play, in yourself and in the guy on your left and your right. That's the beautiful thing about football. And tonight we need everybody in the room. Everybody in the room, all in. This is about us. And we have a choice every time you line up to execute with physicality, discipline, and detail. Every time. Make that choice. But don't make it for you. Make it for the guy next to you on your left and the guy next to you on your right. One play at a time. For our brother, let's get out of this.
We are at Rice-Eccles Stadium in Salt Lake City on a beautiful night. And number 10, Utah, looking to stay undefeated, already 1-0 in Big 12 play. This is the Big 12 debut for the Arizona Wildcats on the road in a very tough environment. Wildcats won the toss. They deferred. Utah's going to get the ball first. It's going to be the true freshman Isaac Wilson, who started last week.
And now Wilson under center, single setback behind him, two receivers right, one to the left. And Wilson in trouble now. He's going to run it himself, and he's dropped for a loss. This is fourth down, almost two, and Utah's going to go for it. Wilson, long snap down, hands off, and the Wildcats have stopped him.
Arizona was there. Not even close, and another play by Trayton Stoops. Tough test against this team in this environment.
All right hash. Fafita will take the snap, hand off, near side, return the corner to 50, down to the 40, 35, and just out of bounds with a big first down. A huge run down the near sideline. Third and 11. The Wildcats, this will be their first third down attempt of the night. Anderson wide back, going to the right.
So now third and 11. Pressure comes. Fafita dumps it to McMillan, who makes the catch and then got hit hard. What an open field tackle.
We got fourth downs.
Arizona looking to get on the board first, and that kick is up, and it is good.
And the Wildcats on their opening drive take the lead with 1:48 to go in the opening quarter.
Part of the field where Utah has struggled. Bernard, handoff left side, bounces it left, cuts it upfield, all the way down to the 10 to about the 9.
Wildcats stopped him on 4th and 1 earlier. See what they can do here.
Let's go!
On 4th and goal. Play fake. Throw. Knocked down incomplete. And a great play by Tacario Davis. Again, we'll get a big hole up the middle, and then he makes a move. Inside the 20 with a stiff arm all the way down to the 10. What a run.
Go down Arizona.
Right near the goal line. Fafita takes a snap. Rolling right. Throws. Caught. Touchdown. Jeremiah Patterson. And the Wildcats get the first touchdown of this game.
The Wildcats regain the lead up 9-3.
Let's go!
So Fafita will go to a knee. Clock will run to 0. Halftime here in Salt Lake City. Arizona 10 and Utah 3.
0-0.
Lean on me, baby. Come on.
To each other. Now understand, we're keeping it hot in the second half. Let's go finish this thing. All right, let's go, everybody. Hey, can we keep making that choice for each other?
Yes, sir.
Not for yourself, but for the guy next to you. Yes, sir. Physicality and detail. That's what it's going to come down to. Can you keep believing in yourself and the guy next to you on your left and right? Yes, sir. Let's go. Get a break. Come on, get in here. Let's go. Family on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go. Details and discipline. This is us, man. This is us. Let's go. Let's go.
But the Wildcats have played a very very respectable first half in a very difficult place to play.
Give a ton of credit to Arizona. They came to play.
Wilson on a quarterback keeper, slipped one tackle and not another. He's taken down in a hurry.
Arizona's making plays.
The Wildcats, this will be a tough position. Cranks it up, throws the pass, and it is caught by Burnett out at the 10-yard line. And Utah fans here are going to try and see if they can disrupt things. 3rd and 7.
Conley moves in the backfield alongside Fafita. Fafita going to throw over the top. It is delivered perfectly and a catch. And another big play on the ground. Rashawn Luke this time.
Dodges a man. First down inside the 40. Dives through the 35. That was a pretty play. Arizona leading by a touchdown. 53-yard right hash. Luke ready to extend the Arizona lead.
Kick on the way. My goodness. This guy's got a monster leg.
From 53, but the Wildcats extend their lead now to 10 points. We'll take the snap, rolling to the right, looking to throw on the run.
Spins right on first down. Going to throw on the ball. Intercepted! An interception. What a play by Genesis Smith, who's having a huge game.
So this will be a 33-yard attempt.
That kick is up. And it's good.
That extends the Arizona lead. It's now Wildcats 16 and Utah 3. Rob shooting out on the left side. Caught there. That's going nowhere. Oh, what a huge tackle on the far side.
4th and 6. Wilson steps up, throws, and knocked away again. Another one.
And the Cats take over the football. So the Wildcats will go to the 4th. Arizona Wildcats have controlled this game.
This is our home. This is what we talk about. Let's go. We will. We're down.
Still down by 13 with the ball now.
Wilson in the pocket. Wilson's going to throw deep middle. And Singer jumps up and snatches it. 1st and 10, Utah at the 20. Wilson back to pass. Wilson. Touchdown! And Utah is back in this game. His 3rd touchdown of the year.
Let's straight.
11:54 to go in the 4th. Arizona 16, Utah 10. We're right back in the ballgame, down by 6 now. Yards deep will bring it out. 5-10. Lost a man. Brings it from out to the 25 to the 30, 35-40, and out of bounds. To the 45.
Holding 17, number 3, 10-yard penalty.
That's a pretty live here.
And this plays going berserk.
We'll take it out of the shotgun back to the side. Well, it did. That just juiced up this crowd even more. Utah right now trying to seize momentum in this game.
Snap pressure picked up. He got hit. The throw is into Utah territory.
Inside the 40-yard line. First down, Arizona. Unbelievable. Kevin Hyatt. They need 11 yards. A stack set left with 3 receivers. Lead out of the shotgun. Takes the snap straight back to throw. Waiting, rolling to the right now.
Fafita scrambling. Throws deep. End zone.
Arizona 23, Utah 10.
Wilson is going down. Swallowed up by Isaiah Johnson. Here comes the pressure. Picked up briefly and knocked away another one. Unbelievable. The Wildcats, amazing. Utah fans starting to run out of hope tonight. That one sails and it's picked off, intercepted. A fitting end to this one. That's a win that just changes the whole feel of the rest of the year. Arizona in their first game in the Big 12.
Remember, it is believing in you individually, in yourself, and in the guy on your left and right, and then lining up and doing it again and again and again and again.